Our top story, road closures, power outages, and rising floodwaters.
Lancaster County continues to deal with the aftermath of 2 days of stormy weather. Kayla Schmidt is live in Lidditz with the details. Good morning, Kayla.
Yes, good morning to you, Allie and James. We are at Lidditz Springs Park this morning where officials tell us all of that stormwater runoff collects, and that's exactly what we're seeing here this morning. I do want to show you here where I'm standing. Grassy, rocky, obviously a picnic table beside me. There should not be this much water here. It's about up to my ankles. Meteorologist Brett Thacker says about 1 to 2 inches did fall here in Lidditz yesterday. Now I want to show you here the direction of water headed this way toward the little river area here at Lidditz Springs Park, just showing how that stormwater runoff is really entering the park and exiting. And there's some ducks standing in areas and floating in waters where they're not supposed to be. So that flooding is still definitely apparent this morning. Now, it has been extremely busy for first responders over the last 2 days. Mannheim Fire says they have responded to 59 incidents in the past 24 hours, including over 20 water rescues and more than 25 residential floodings. And keep in mind, that is only one fire department in Lancaster County. We're told this morning a road that is still closed in the county due to flooding is the 100 block of South State Street, which is Route 772, plus a collapsed bridge on Evans Road in Elizabeth Township. Now, Chief of Warwick Township Community Ambulance Company is describing the last 24 hours as water rescue after water rescue after water rescue. Turning back to where we are at Lidditz Springs Park, a concern with all this flooding is 4th of July festivities. Now, a meeting with emergency services was held yesterday to talk about their plans for the event and how severe weather affects response times. The 4th of July committee chair says they will go on as planned. They just cannot set up for the big celebration until, obviously, this water recedes.
It takes many volunteers and lots of man hours just to get each, candle set up over this area.
And Allie and James, just giving you another look at what this area looks like this morning, as you just heard from Kelly. Now, that stormwater just running off. You knew where we were in Mannheim yesterday. You saw how high those levels were there. Meteorologist Brett Thacker says they got less than half of an inch of rain yesterday. So this stormwater is just trying to drain out. I'm going to send it back to the studio now, live here in Lidditz. Kayla Schmidt, ABC 27 News.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27. We're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the home page, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.